Gurgaon, full of glass and chrome buildings, is the new mecca for many high-tech companies. Ranbaxy, one of India's biggest pharmaceutical majors, has set up its research facilities here. Malvinder Singh heads Ranbaxy and is at hand to talk on the pharmaceutical industry's expectations from this year's budget. Ranbaxy, like many of the top pharma companies in India, spends about 8 to 9% of its annual revenue on research, almost $100 million a year. And Malvinder is hoping that the government continues as well as expands the tax breaks given for research.
Today there are a lot of activities that you tend to outsource either from companies in India, or you do clinical trials by third parties in India or internationally. So all of those activities don't get covered. I think we need to broaden that net to encompass those and to really broaden the definition, so we can truly get a 150% weighted reduction on all the activities that we are doing. It'll be great if he does 200%, but even if it's 150, if he maintains that and broadens it, I think it's the right direction.
The Indian pharma industry is growing at almost 17% annually, and breakthrough in branded generics market and in the off-patent drugs abroad means that the growth rate may continue for some time. But despite this, the government last year ended one tax benefit which was given to pharma companies involved only in pure research and development activity.
Where India is post-2005 with the product patent regime, we need to focus a lot more on research and development. So there needs to be, under Section 80IB, which is stopped as of 2007, there is clearly a scope of really extending that for the next 5 years and allowing a lot more companies to register with that, where you get a 10-year tax exemption. But that, I believe, will very significantly enhance the kind of R&D activities companies in India are doing, and those from outside who can come into India and do that.
The pharmaceutical industry has a close relationship with the healthcare business. After all, the drugs they develop are for the healthcare industry. Pharma players want the government to increase spending on healthcare and also encourage higher private sector participation by giving infrastructure status to private hospitals. In Gurgaon, with cameraman Thompson Jacob, Orijit Banerjee for NDTV.